Who doesn't enjoy opening the windows and letting the warm breezes flow through your home? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. If your screens are letting more than the fresh air into your home, stay tuned and we'll get that problem solved right after this.
From installing a smart garage door opener, to installing a bathroom faucet, to removing a tree, the Home Depot believes you can do anything, especially the things we have how-to guides for. Visit HomeDepot.com for thousands of tips, workshops, and ideas for projects, big and small. The Home Depot app, how doers get more done.
Many people think repairing screens is a tough job, but replacing a damaged screen can be done with just a few simple tools: a utility knife, a pair of pliers, and a special tool called a spline roller, which you can find at the home center for less than $10. First, remove the old screen by pulling out the spline, which is much like a piece of rubber rope. Then spread out a new roll of screen material over the frame and cut it to overlap on all sides by about an inch or so. Then use the spline roller to force the old spline back into the track to lock the screen in place. Finally, when the spline is all in, you can trim off the excess screen with a utility knife and you're done. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.